Hey there. In the previous session, we have learned what is machine learning. In this session, we will see how it's different from the AI and deep learning. Many people confuse with the artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. Those all terms are different. Artificial intelligence is a broader concept addressing the use of machines to perform the task considered as a smart. The goal is to enhance the chances of the success, but not accuracy. Machine learning is application of the artificial intelligence. It based on the idea of giving machines access to the data and allow them to learn for themselves. The goal is to enhance the accuracy, but it does not care about the success. So this was about the machine learning part. Now coming over to the deep learning. It is a subset of the machine learning and is approach to the AI. It powered the most human-like AI. Now I hope that you understood the basic difference between the machine learning, AI and deep learning. Let's see more difference between the machine learning and AI. As we have seen in the previous slide, AI is a broader concept than ML. In ML, the machine will take the data and learn from it, where AI is a cognitive process that performs the smart work. ML leads to the knowledge, where AI leads to the wisdom. ML leads to the creation of the self-learning algorithm, where AI involves the creation of the system that mimic the human behavior. And now let's see the difference between the ML and DL. ML is a subset of AI and DL is a subset of ML. ML algorithms are used to parse data and learn from it, where in a deep learning, the algorithms are structured in a layer for the creation of the artificial neural network. Machine learning uses a small data set compared to the deep learning. Therefore, deep learning requires the high-end configuration machines, where machine learning can perform on the normal machines too. So you can use the laptop, desktop or Mac, whatever you have. Machine learning took the less time due to the less size of data, where deep learning take the high time. In machine learning, we always get the numeric value as a result. We will learn more about this when we dig our hand in the coding, where in the deep learning we can pass element, free text, sound, score, etc. as a result. See you in the next session.